out of here. All right, so obviously I went with M4. Very respectable brand. A lot of people love the sound. A lot of people like the craftsmanship that they do. So here it is, a little stubby slip-on. So a lot of people would have thought I went with the GP19, which is like the standard black tube-looking muffler. I figured if I was going to buy a semi-expensive exhaust, why is everything so loud? That I at least get something that I would like aesthetically and audibly as well. So, obviously it's taped up, but kind of give you a little look-see. The whole thing has a carbon fiber shell. So, let that speak for itself. Okay, so my buddy Patrick was kind enough, because he just got a GP19, he doesn't need these anymore. And when I took off my primary muffler, I didn't remove both of these, so I still have one that's a little bit older. But he just went ahead and gave me both. But one of them fell out on the highway, so yeah. Put that back, all these screws back. My only concern with it, it's super close to the swing arm, but it shouldn't rattle at all. It's pretty stable. But you know, that is a concern. Hopefully it doesn't crack anything.